Welcome to How to Earn Money Using Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you the second method of how to earn money using Canva. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, this video is about generating a brand identity kit. You can use Canva to generate and sell brand identity kits. And it's so easy. You can search for brand identity kit template and you will find a lot. You can design a logo and the full brand identity niche for any business that needs it from you, and you can get up to $180 easy money through this method, and you can earn more and more. All you need is to choose a free template or a paid template using Pro if you have a Pro in Canva, and select the template. You can customize this template and change it as your client needs. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.